to move along a specific axis quickly, you can, you know, press G and then Y or X or Z. But there's a lot of people that don't know that you can actually press just G and then hold down the middle mouse button. And then you see that line in the middle wherever it is, you know, wherever it's located, and whatever axis line it's closest to based on that view, it's going to snap to. And then you can just let go and let go of the middle mouse button and, you know, keep going. So this is a really handy thing. So I can actually just, you know, G, hold down middle mouse button, G, middle mouse, let go, click when I'm done. So really nice to easily move around and lock that to axis. It also works with rotation as well. So if I want to rotate only on the X, I just have to, you know, do as expected. I can change it whenever I want. Scale as well. So just want to scale it on this axis, that axis. Very useful. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. See ya.